In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mention someone in Canva comments. By the end, you'll know exactly how to tag a teammate so they're notified and can jump in right where you need them. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Canva. In the results, look for the official Canva website and open it. This ensures you're in the right place and keeps your account secure. If you use Canva often, it's a good idea to bookmark the site so you can get back to your projects quickly next time. Once the site loads, log into your account. Choose the account you use for your designs, and if you collaborate with others through a team, make sure you're signing in with that same work or school account so you'll see the correct people available to mention. Next, open your design. You can pick one from your recent projects or open the file you're currently working on. Give it a moment to load fully so all the elements on the page are clickable and ready. Now, find the exact element you want to reference, a line of text, an image, or a shape, and right-click it. From the context menu, select Comment. Doing this attaches your note to that specific item, which makes it crystal clear what you're talking about and avoids confusion later. If the menu doesn't appear at first, make sure you're clicking directly on the element itself and not the empty canvas around it. In the comment box that appears, type the @ symbol, then start typing the person's name or their email address. The @ symbol tells Canva you're trying to mention someone, and it will begin searching your contacts as you type. Be precise with spelling to help Canva bring up the right match. You'll see a drop-down list of your Canva team members. Click the correct name from the list. If you work within a shared team, this list is where your collaborators will appear. If you don't see who you're looking for, double-check that you're in the correct team space and that they're part of it. Type your message clearly and keep it actionable. Explain what you need, provide context, and if helpful, suggest a next step. When you're ready, click Comment to post it. The person you mentioned will receive a notification and can reply, make changes, or resolve the comment once it's handled. That's it. You searched for Canva, logged in, opened your design, added a contextual comment on a specific element, mentioned the right person, and posted your note. Use this workflow to streamline feedback, speed up approvals, and keep your design conversations organized.